to our channel of English Explorers. Let's learn English the easier way. Today's topic is basic differences between word, phrase, clause, and a sentence. Let's start with an example. Reena is sleeping on the bed. Here it comprises of 6 words, but sleeping can be considered as one of the words. On the bed is a phrase. Reena is sleeping is a clause, whereas Reena is sleeping as well as Reena is sleeping on the bed can be sentences. Word versus phrase. When we talk about a word, it's a collection of letters which always conveys a meaning, as seen to an example, friend. But when we talk about a phrase, it is a group of words which collectively do not make a complete sense. For example, if I say my friend, it can't convey a complete sense. We can't use a period after this. Now, considering the differences between phrase and clause, phrase and clause both are a group of words. So where does the basic difference lie? Let's try to understand with an example. As discussed earlier, my friend is an example of a phrase which consists of a subject but no verb. So a phrase does not have a subject and a verb combination, whereas a clause must always have a subject and a verb combination, as illustrated to an example. He is my friend. In this, he is a subject and is a verb. Now, considering the differences between a clause and a sentence, clause is a group of words, whereas a sentence is a group of words or clauses even. And the other main difference is that clause may or may not convey a complete sense, whereas a sentence always conveys a complete sense, although the similarity between them remains that both should have a subject and a verb combination. For example, a clause says he is my friend, which can also be considered as a sentence as it makes a complete sense. Whereas, he is my friend who has arrived from Germany is a sentence which can't be termed as a clause, as it is a group of 2 clauses. Now let's recall what we have done in today's session. What is a word? Word is a group of letters which conveys a complete meaning. Phrase, on the other hand, is a group of words which does not convey a complete sense when taken as a whole. Clause is a group of words which may or may not convey a complete meaning but has a subject-verb combination for sure. Sentence is a group of words or clauses even which always convey a complete sense and have a subject and a verb combination. So, hope it's clear. Here we end our session. Rest, you all know the drill. Subscribe, like, share, and if you have any queries or comments, please share in the comment box. Bye. Have a good day.